Of course.
Of course, the moments that changed my life, you know, कभी अगर मुझे पता होता जब मैं ये सीन शूट करने जा रही हूँ कि जो वहाँ पे घटना घटेगी उससे मेरी जिंदगी पूरी बदल जाएगी. I don't.
याद है कब की है?
ये बड़ा चल रहा था वो लबूबू का वो
हाँ करेक्ट हाँ.
And I thought, sorry, I'm just gonna say this. I thought it was ridiculous.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मिर्ची. कैसे हो आप लोग?
बहुत बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो?
आई एम गुड. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बेबी डू डाई डू को काफी ज्यादा रिस्पांस मिला. द एल्बम, द टाइटल ट्रैक, इश्क कमीना, मतलब द ट्रेलर, टीजर, एवरीथिंग. तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
हम भी बजा रहे हैं अपने लिए. क्या बात है.
तो देखो हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. हम लोग हमेशा बातें करते, बातें तो होंगी आज, बट इट्स कॉल्ड बिहाइंड द ग्राम. तो आपकी दोनों का जो इंस्टाग्राम है, बेबी डू डाई डू से लेके पुराने जितने भी हम लोगों ने थोड़े सिलेक्ट किए, इसके पीछे की कहानी आपको बतानी है. तो सबसे पहले तो आपके इंस्टाग्राम से है यही है द लेटेस्ट वन. तो तो ये मुझे बताओ, ये टाइटल का आइडिया किसका था ये? क्योंकि इंटरेस्टिंग है. करमरकर और
ये हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब का. कल उन्होंने ऑन कैमरा admit किया, it's like a Pune uncle joke.
Yeah, it is a joke.
But he specified it's a Pune uncle joke. कि because Karmakar is a very popular Maharashtrian surname.
हाँ पुणे में, क्योंकि I'm a Maharashtrian.
Correct. So do do.
करमरकर
डूडे बोलते हैं. डूडे आ गया तो like that's the joke. And you know, and he was very like vociferous about the fact that you know कि Hindi speaking belt don't really know about this, but in like Pune region, like you know, all of Maharashtra is like a thing. And we will introduce it to the rest of the country. I'm like, I think the rest of the country is ready for do.
Oh.
Yeah, that's me in front of the television. I think.
Oh, it's a television.
Acha,
That's an
Yes.
old, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that's baby me on one of my birthdays. I don't remember. Obviously crying
So-
or trying to smile because of the flash. I don't know what happened, but
That is literally baby do I do.
oh, nice. You have a sense of humor, huh? Arjun? Nice.
Oh my God, sense of
love it.
humor.
जबरदस्त.
Oh, wordplay.
Okay. वैसे आपके इंस्टाग्राम पे काफी पोस्ट कम है, इतना एक्टिव नहीं हुआ,
नहीं
बट
हुआ
हम लोगों ने ढूंढे थोड़े.
Oh my God.
वाह, ये आपका सेल्फी है. ये अर्जुन की मुझे मॉर्निंग सेल्फी लगती है.
मैं आपको ये चीज बताता हूँ. Okay, so I am so inactive. That's my beautiful cat, by the way. His name is Mowgli. He's called Mowgli because he's living with a different species. So, but he's a very sweet cat. So the reason I'm so inactive, by the way, ये जो नाम है मेरा अभी कौन अर्जुन अय्यर, that's also a very recent thing. इससे
Like, because of कौन है वो?
I've always been very मतलब एकदम मैं मतलब anonymous रहता था. कुछ तो भलता ही नाम रखता था. कभी पंचिंग बैग होता था मेरा यूजर नेम. It's true because I've never wanted to be on camera and stuff. Ironically, I'm saying this here.
On camera.
On camera.
The producers.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's
Correct है.
तो
That's
इसके
a,
पीछे की कहानी
this
कुछ.
is a very old picture actually. I don't remember where we took it. But yeah, I think maybe in the UK somewhere. Not because I'm wearing the Star Spangled Banner, but because I mean इतना woolen आप बॉम्बे में नहीं पहन सकते. वो reason है. वो reason नहीं है because of what's on my this thing. But I think we were shooting or filming for something. I don't remember now where, but it's kind of like this thing because it's sort of like a, I don't know, like a precursor to Baby.
Ah, that's true.
Okay, the iconic scene.
Oh wow. Of course.
Of course, the moments that changed my life, you know, कभी अगर मुझे पता होता जब मैं ये सीन शूट करने जा रही हूँ कि जो वहाँ पे घटना घटेगी उससे मेरी जिंदगी पूरी बदल जाएगी. I don't think, you know, sometimes you just do things and you have no like understanding of it. And I remember मैं तो ऐसे घूमते घूमते चली गई, मैं बैठ गई, एक पीछे बकरी थी. मिस्टर कश्यप केम से तुम ऐसे कुछ कर देना. I'm like हाँ ठीक है.
अच्छा, ऑन द स्पॉट वैसे.
हाँ, because ये हमने वर्कशॉप में प्रेप किया था और ये नवाज के साथ हुआ था कि किसी लड़की ने उसको ऐसे डांट दिया था when he tried to sort of, you know, get like
There's the permission
close
wala
to her.
scene, na?
Yeah.
Amazing.
And then of course मैंने तो नवाज को खूब डांट दिया, you know, in the scene. And then he obviously such a good actor, he started crying. मुझे लगा अरे यार तो scene खा गया. Like, you know, both of us are thinking, and he's thinking मैं scene खा गई because I keep talking and talking and talking. So we keep having that little this thing. But no, I mean, whenever I see that picture, more than the popularity of that scene or how it's become iconic or it's become meme worthy or whatever, I keep thinking about like, you know, sometimes we just do things and we don't understand the importance of them, which is why I feel like you should be just so mindful of everything that you're putting out in the world because you never know.
You never know.
The importance of a moment. Like I literally was so naive. I just walked in saying, "अच्छा क्या करना है? अच्छा ठीक है." And कभी-कभी शायद maybe that also works. Maybe if you overthink it also. So maybe it's just nice. Maybe sometimes, you know, there's God and there's you know, things that are happening that you have no control over. So it's nice to just always live in a state of gratitude and grace.
But you know, the scene has also aged so well. Na? In the last few years, again, it's gained a lot of traction.
Right.
और सडनली हुआ मतलब
Yeah,
मैं तो एक विमेन एम्पावरमेंट पैनल में बोला कि मुझे पता होता कि मेरी पहला शब्द जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ would be about female consent.
Amazing.
I didn't even understand it. We thought it was just a funny scene we were doing. But it's aged so well, like
It's
you
aged
said,
so well, yeah.
because it's about female consent in like the
yeah.
most
Yeah.
like pop culture way.
Yeah. अच्छा ये वैसे है क्या ये
That is my beautiful wife, actually. Through
But your beautiful wife.
Exactly.
You have not shot her very beautifully.
That is the purpose of this.
Married an alien. Wow.
Yeah, ये था श्रीलंका में हम लोग एक छोटे से कैफे में बैठे थे and I was just ऐसे ही देख रहा
What's
था
her
मैं
name?
दुनिया देवांशी
Devanshi, I'm talking to you, Devanshi. Clearly, this man, I mean, the way he's looking at you.
yes
Oh, me only the meme, they look at me like how
Exactly.
this one is looking at me. So the way he's looking at you, my sister, I'm very worried for you.
yeah दुनिया में देख रहा था ग्लास से वो दिखी बहुत सुंदर I took a photo and that's where this
तब
came
आपका
from.
चश्मा लगा हुआ था कि बिना चश्मे के देखा
बिना
था?
चश्मे,
Ah.
तभी तो।
नहीं फिर तो बिना चश्मे
It's true, it's true.
बहुत ही
इंस्टाग्राम मतलब अलग ही लेवल पे है एक तो कम
अलग-अलग।
पोस्ट है और
Yeah, जो डाला वो
अंतरंगी
भी
इंसान है
ऐसा
ना अंतरंगी
हाँ,
आप इनकी
full।
कॉम्पोजिशन सुन लो ना दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है
It's true.
चला नेक्स्ट
Oh wow.
याद है कब की है
ये मुझे याद है ये हम लोग कुछ तो शूट कर रहे थे तो वहाँ पे वो नहीं तो क्या बोलते हैं वो लोकल फेयर्स वहाँ से ये मैं उठा के लेके आई थी और
अच्छा वो जो claw
हाँ
वाला
हाँ वो क्लॉ वाला कुछ तो भी था सब मस्ती में आई थिंक बाय मिस्टेक माय पर्सन लाइक यू नो माय टीम मेंबर दे जस्ट पुट इट इन माय लगेज
Nice.
और तब ये बड़ा चल रहा था वो लबूबू का वो
हाँ करेक्ट हाँ
And I thought, sorry, I'm just going to say this. I thought it was ridiculous because it was so expensive. And I was like, इतने महंगा एक डॉल के लिए तुम इतने पैसे क्यों दे रहे
कितने का था
हो?
वैसे
हाँ?
कितने का था
कुछ
वैसे
मतलब ऐसे तो मतलब हम तो ऑनलाइन ही पढ़ते थे कुछ लाखों रुपए का था तो मैंने
What?
बोला कि this
बाप रे।
that guy apparently I'm gonna अब मेरे को क्या है
My
वो
God.
that guy apparently you know who started the company it went to like $1 billion or something it was mad like the whole world was going crazy and hanging those labubus on their bag so मैं कहा अपने पास तो ये देसी वाला इतना बड़ा labubu
बट क्यूट है पिक्चर तो क्यूट
I
है
think it's cute yeah
चलो लास्ट फ्यू
ये मेरे अंदर का मिडिल क्लास निकलता है कभी कभी
that's so sweet.
that's me and my papa
या
that's
very
baby me and my papa I think I used to be just stuck to him all the time
Hmm.
so I have the cutest pictures with my dad I think when I was a baby I used to like to sleep I would sleep on his chest I would always like want to touch his beard and I was fully I think I wanted to get my hair also cut like him if you notice in that picture
हाँ थोड़े सिमिलर है
hairstyle is
सिमिलर
That's very cute.
yeah
पापास गर्ल वैसे
papa's girl fully papa's girl मम्मा से झगड़ा होता रहता है बस show me
चलो वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पिक्चर
This
Oh,
we
that's very
shot during Bell Bottom. We
Yeah.
were shooting in Glasgow.
Wow.
So and of course it was Independence Day, and we were
yeah.
we were very far away from home. So we all you know decided
COVID
to
में
dress.
था ना?
Huh?
COVID
It
में
was
था
during
ना?
COVID. We were the only film actually that actually you know we got the permission, and we went to Glasgow to shoot for Bell Bottom, and you know we wanted to do something, but we had no access to anything, so we decided to. And coincidentally, we had these
Yeah.
T-shirts to wear, so we all decided to pose together.
बट आपके और अक्षय सर की केमिस्ट्री मतलब बेल बॉटम हो जॉली में हो 2 3 अलग ही लेवल पे वो जो दारू वाला भी विस्की वाला भी सीन है
हाँ.
आज भी मैं मॉम डैड के साथ देखता हूँ मतलब नेचुरली हंसी आ जाती है उसपे
Thank you so much. No, I think he's. I mean, of course, he's Akshay Sir. Like you know, he's phenomenal, and I'm so happy his now latest film is also doing so well.
Yeah.
But it's just
Yeah.
he makes it very easy to work with him. He's one of the most chill, you know, people to work with. Just a phenomenal superstar. Yeah.
या लास्ट फोटो है उमा आपके लिए वैसे मल्टीपल है मैं चूज कर रहा हूँ
Oh wow. options ही options
Of
है.
course.
एक
कितनी
खाने का
पुरानी
था
फोटो निकाली
ओके
है
चलो
कोविड की फोटो.
Oh, nice pajama. Those are pajamas, no?
Those are that's called a
Quads.
set. The quad set.
Achha, that's a
Ooh,
quad set.
cool like
Yeah,
that.
I know.
Yeah, I had this phase in the middle. I would only do quad sets. हमने
Very
कौन
nice.
डिसाइड करेगा कि क्या पहनना है इसके साथ एक ही मतलब कलर का थान से कपड़ा काट के बना दो वैसे
Very
वाला.
nice.
And I'm eating obviously pasta. I love carbs.
प्रॉपर फूडी ना
I love carbs. I feel like if there was a way you could just be carbs and be thin.
It's
if
true.
somebody asked me what is the one superpower you want to be able to eat endless amount of carbs
Carbs.
and be thin
Yeah.
and have abs.
That would be good, no?
Yeah, right.
वैसे फेवरेट फूड क्या है आप दोनों का ऑल टाइम फेवरेट
Good food.
गुड फूड
Good
कंफर्ट
food. खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, स्वादिष्ट होना चाहिए.
Mine is just mom cooked food. Like I'm a Tamil boy. मतलब यहीं पे पला बड़ा लेकिन तमिल फैमिली से हूँ तो मेरी मम्मी का रसम राइस एंड आलू रोस्ट जो बनाती है जस्ट टू डाई फॉर अलॉन्ग विद द तमिल वाला जो अपलम होता है पापड़ जो ऐसे फूक जाता है पूरी रसम इट्स अमेजिंग
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस
Thank you
एंड
so
ऑल
much,
द बेस्ट फिल्म को काफी ज्यादा प्यार मिलने वाला है सो ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.